Okay, guys, good morning, 9:05 a.m. It is the 15th today, Monday. Hope you all had a good weekend and ready to smash the week. So, what we always do on a Monday is we take a look at the week on the daily FX calendar, see what's going to happen in the USD. Now, I'm going to add a few more here because I know that not everyone just trades that. So, I'm going to add Euro. I'm going to add one. There we go. In fact, not European Union. We want United Kingdom. We want Japan, Australia, New Zealand dollar. These are the ones that most people trade. And just because, no, we don't really need Israel, do we? We kind of know what's happening on that front. So today, what do we have? We have retail sales for the USD. Nothing really too crazy. Tomorrow, we have building permits for the USD, inflation rate for the Australian dollar. So if you trade in Australian dollar, watch out for 23.45 tomorrow. Employment change for the Great British Pound. Unemployment rate as well at 7 a.m. tomorrow. So again, the Great British Pound probably going to have a big move tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock. Core inflation rate for the Great British Pound as well. So massive, massive week for the Great British Pound. Core inflation rate for the Euro as well. About 2 hours after, sorry, 3 hours after. Nothing for the USD though. We just got mortgage applications. Really nothing too crazy in terms of news. Thursday, we have employment change and unemployment rate for the Australian dollar. We have initial jobless claims, which is every single Thursday for the USD. That's the most impactful news of the week so far. Then Friday, finally, core inflation rate for the yen and some retail sales for the Great British Pound. So nothing really too crazy for the USD. It seems like the Great British Pound has a lot of news. So if you are trading the Great British Pound, just watch out for that news. USD wise, we are pretty good to trade whenever. We're not waiting for any big news. There's no power speech. There's no Fed interest rate decision. No CB consumer confidence. So we're all good with that. Let's take a look at the long-term fundamentals. So gold, Bitcoin is still killing it. Yen, CAD, Swiss to the downside. Medium-term Bitcoin, gold still to the upside. USD is still quite strong as well. So obviously the reason why gold is the strongest is because obviously there's a lot going on in the world. The Obviously what happened over the weekend with the war breaking out. Gold is a safe haven when things go into turmoil. Gold moves to the upside. It's as simple as that. Whenever anything bad happens in the world, gold strengthens. So that is why. So let's go to the analysis now. So US 100, we've been in this consolidation since the 29th of February. So yeah, quite a long time. I would like a bounce at this level or a break to the downside. Friday's trade did not go well at all. I was hoping for this to break this consolidation, but it didn't. It bounced, it moved down. Is what it is. It happens. So we can easily make that back. It's not a massive thing, but what I would like is either a bounce from this level or a break. Let's just say a bounce for now, because we are in consolidation. Yeah, just absolutely terrible price action. Absolutely terrible. Ideally, I would like a break to the downside or to the upside because my strategy works best when it's trending. But for now, because we are in consolidation, wait for a bounce and move to the upside here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on US 100. Very, very simple. High pressure here. Look for a move to the upside. But if we do break, we'll look for sells. I would rather look for sells, but we get given what we get given. So let's go to the daily on US 30. So US 30 has already started trading to the downside. Hence why I think US 100 is going to start trading to the downside. We've broken this level. The next key level is right here. So we can look for sells here. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Potentially, honestly, we're either going to see, yeah, I think here. Do have a level there. We also do have a level here as well, but it's not as impactful. Okay, so 1 hour time frame, let's just make it very, very simple. I believe, honestly, probably this level here. Right there. Exhaustion to this level here. Then continue move to the downside. We could see a full and complete exhaustion to this level. So there's two levels that could come into play. But this one is the most likely. Previous buy pressure will turn to sell pressure. If we just zoom out a little bit, that makes complete sense. Because the buy pressure becomes sell pressure. Buy pressure becomes sell pressure. Buy pressure here becomes sell pressure here. It's literally just as simple as that. Doesn't always work out, but if you get entry confirmation at this level, then more than likely you're going to continue moving in that direction. So let's take a little look. The Great British pound against the yen. Should be very interesting. Okay, so there was an entry on Friday at 1600. And if you did hold over the weekend, then you would have been in profit. Is there any other trades? Potentially. So there is a level here that we've just broken. There we go. So we can forget that. There is a potential trade here. As we could see sell pressure here, as we can see, potential exhaustion, continued move here. So the level you're looking for is 191522. And then obviously your target is 193200. That is exactly what you're looking for. Something kind of like this, where we have an exhaustion and a continued move. This level here, lots and lots of previous sell pressure, lots of buy pressure now. So more than likely going to tap this level and continue moving. Let's take a look at the Great British pound against the USD now. So the Great British pound against the USD, if we go to the daily, zoom out here. Big, big move to the downside after breaking this level of buy pressure. More likely going to see an exhaustion and a continued move here. So the Great British pound, let's just have a look short term. The Great British pound is stronger than the USD, which is good. Medium term, it's weaker. So short term move to the upside, long term move to the downside, which is really good for us, for our trade. This week, we'll be looking for a move to 1.25345 or just 1.25350. You're looking for a sell at this level, all the way down to, let's just call it 1.23500 because that's a round level. So is that what you're looking for? Simple as that. Could be a really good week for the Great Pound against USD. Euro USD. Last one. If you want to go for anything else, let me know. Get rid of that one. Let's go to the daily and zoom out. Okay, so we've hit a very high impact level of buy pressure. Let's get rid of that. So again, exactly the same thing. Exhaustion, continued move. The euro is a minus 2.8. The USD is positive 2.9. So obviously the euro is going to continue moving to the downside as of now. Recycle that. There we go. So you're looking for a trade at 1.6930, and your target will be 1.06490. Not the best of trades. It is a very high impactful level here. If you look at the weekly, we can see why. Because previously we bounced at this level in March 2020, again in November 2015, April 2015, and February 2017. We bounced again at 13th of March 2023, and then also October 2023. So it's going to take a lot to break this level. And if we do, then the next crazy level is all the way down here, 0.95400. So if we do break this level, the next major level is all the way down here. We've got all this free space here to trade to the downside, just like we did here. Being in this consolidation now since 2022, just bounced in between these two levels here. So if we do get a break, that's pretty significant. So we'll see. And with the recent war and the USD being super strong, I think that could be the fundamental pressure to break this to the downside and go to 0.9600, let's just say. So that could be very interesting. So that's it, guys. Thank you for joining. AE, iPhone, and CUDA. There was some more, but some people have dipped off. So thank you, guys. I will upload these and I will let you know if I place a trade. Should be very interesting this week with the war. Should be very lucrative. So we probably need to be a bit more aggressive than usual, probably on gold. So yeah, guys, thank you. No, in fact, I haven't done gold. Sorry. I have not done gold. So weekly gold is moving to the upside, obviously. Daily, with the recent war, obviously we are going to be bullish, a little bit more aggressive on this. So you can see that we've had a recent move to the downside on Friday. There is still an uptrend. There is still room to move up. So I'm going to say if we break this high here, we've had the exhaustion. Yes, it is a little bit below the uptrend, but that doesn't really matter with the fundamental pressure. If we can break this high here, this little bit of consolidation, we can have a tight stop loss and we can target the high. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Doesn't matter when it happens, honestly, because of what's happening in the world. Any move to the upside breaking this level, we probably more than likely want to be in here. So a little bit more aggressive on gold. Simple as that. So we're looking for a break above 2369, and then we're going to go for 2430 for our target. Simple as that. So yeah, guys, thank you. That's gold. That's all the ones that we're going to look at. Need to be a bit more aggressive this week on gold. But other than that, I shall see you later on. Take care, guys. Bye bye.